In the session, thermodynamics lessons, work involved in expansion and compression discuss. How to the expansion process, how to the compression for the gaseous molecules of the pistons. So see the diagram. Some the cylinder we imagine that. So inside of the gaseous molecule occupy is the pistons is also inward or outward side, pulled or push or pull, two possibilities. So inward means is also force will be acting for outside. So again as the piston is also outside means is the area of the occupy of the gas is also increased, students. So the differentiate of the pistons move the variation is also distance moved of the x positions, and the pressure of the gas inside of the cylinder and area occupy of the area F is also force acting. So and involved the process importance. A also frictionless pistons of cross section area, and important term of the derivations P ext, so pressure external, P int pressure internal, V int, so volume internal, V ext volume external. So Vi volume initial, Vf volume final, capital F force acting on the gas, N number of mole molecules of ideal gas inside of the cylinder, distance differentiate of x or distance of x, distance move the pistons. So that the process involved to the expansion or compression discuss. The pistons is inside increase, so compression, the pistons is outside increase, expansion. So work done the system is also plus W, positive W means here also 1 point. So already discussed, F equal to force equal to MA is the lower section discussed. Force will be mass and acceleration. Here also force is based on the pressure. So force equal to pressure into acceleration. So work in the process negative on the system, force into differentiate of x molecules. So and next will be the force function equal to pressure into area acceleration in the area of the cross section. So F equal to MA, the change is the mass based on the pressure. So F equal to PA. So the equation 2 substitute to the equation 1 is the here the position W equal to minus P external A into delta x, the equation 3. So the variations of delta x is the occupy of the volume is also variation initial state to final state. So delta area of the delta x, consider change of the volume, final state minus initial state will be apply the equation 3. So W equal to minus P external volume of final minus volume of initial. So volume of final minus volume of initial equal to delta V is based on the delta V. So apply minus delta V equal to volume of final minus volume of initial. So minus delta V, apply that the equation work equal to work done the system equal to minus pressure external minus delta V. Work is done on the system, so work is also finished. The negative sign is changed into the positive quantity. So equal to pressure external into delta V. Consider pressure is not constant is the two possibilities, expansion and compression. Pressure do not possibility constant, variation of pressure involved, that during the pressure is the process is also differentiate. So differentiate of the pressure based on that volume. So work is also reverse will be change function. So minus differentiate integral of volume of initial and lower limit volume of initial, upper limit volume of final, pressure external, differentiate of V. So this is the external pressure external function first of all calculated. So external pressure means is also the force acting external pressure will be calculated. So compression process is greater than pressure on the system means is also pressure external equal to pressure internal plus differentiate of pressure. And pressure external in expansion process means here also expansion process means the piston is also outside. Expansion process means external pressure is always less than the system. So loosely gas molecules inside. So pressure external equal to pressure internal minus differentiate of B. So here also graph the plotted. So initial state to this is a final state. So pressure and versus volume. So equation 5 and 6 will be compare. 5 and 6 is also compare to the outside the during the process such as pressure external process outside is the function of the system of cylinder pressure internal plus or minus differentiate of P. The such as the process is called reversible process. So next will be discussed inside of the gas what the functions of expansion and compression involved to the functions. So inside of the gas obey of the ideal gas equation. So first of all the system under the reversible condition, first of all work reverse equal to minus integral volume of initial lower limit volume of final upper limit based of the volume. So internal pressure into differentiate of V. A given system based on the internal gas obey to the ideal gas equation. So PV equal to nRT. So P internal into V equal to nRT. So find out the P internal divide to the V. So P internal gas equal to pressure of the gas equal to nRT divided V. N number of the molecule or gas constant, T temperature divided to volume. So this equation 9 substitute the equation 8 that position. So pressure internal point will be applied to the nRT divided V. So work reverse equal to minus volume of initial of lower limit to volume of final upper limit nRT divided V into differentiate of V. So that the system based on the differentiate position of occupy of the variation in volume. So dV divided V. So nRT is the front side. So work reverse equal to minus nRT differentiate of volume initial and volume final of differentiate of volume divided V. So this is also based on the apply of the integral system. Find out. So find out the ln work reverse equal to minus nRT ln volume of final minus volume of initial. So the permanent value. So in the number of the molecule system work reverse equal to minus 2.303 nRT. The log change into the log volume of final divided volume of initial. That the value is the final answer. Volume of final answer will be increase means that value is negative means is the expansion process. That the volume of initial is increase means that compression process. That value is called positive. That value is negative means that the given work reverse value is negative sign values means is the expansion process. That the value is positive means is a compression process. So what is the compression process? That volume of initials is also increase. What is the expansion process? Volume of final is also greater. Thank you to all students.